Hello developers, welcome back to the complete web development course. Once again, welcome to the Code with Ankit YouTube channel, and let's move further here. So let me just open the VS Code editor. So we have understood that how you can work with the pseudo classes. So we have already seen, let me just open, right click, open with live server. So we have already seen the pseudo classes for list items like li elements, right? So let me just close it and let me open it in this. Perfect here. So let's today we in this video we have to learn about pseudo classes like a styling links, okay, a styling anchor links. So let me just comment it and let me just write a styling links. So let's just find out the links here in the web page. So this is the link that we have used, that we have created it using anchor tag. I have already told you how you can use the anchor tag. Here it is the anchor tag, here it is the anchor tag. So when you click it, nothing will gonna happen just because we have not set any another website to go through, okay, that's why. So let's just try it out and let's just style our anchor tag. So simply we have the anchor tag. So first of all, we can just write a and then put one colon, and we have one pseudo class for this anchor tag, that is link. So it means the link we have. So the link, so link means it's the static state of this anchor tag. So just see that the default color is now blue and it is underlined. Now I don't want this underline, so simply link means the link that we are showing, okay. So every link that it is shown on our web page, it will select that, okay. So this link will select that. So simply let me just write text that decoration. So if you want any underline, if you want any no underline, so you just simply need to pass this. You just simply need to apply this property, that is text dash decoration colon none. The value should be none and save it. See, now the underline will be removed. See, go above. This is also our HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. This is also our this is also our anchor tags here, and the underline gets removed. So this is the a colon links. Now if you just want to change the color, simply change the color and just write green, okay, save it. See, it turns into green color. See, click it. But see, now we have again one more visited, a colon visited. So this visited means if user is already visited to that link in that time, okay, at that time during the visit of website, so you can give the user an experience that okay, you have already visited that, okay. So simply you have already visited that link, you can give this experience. So simply we just put the color, whatever color we can just put, black, red, whatever. But as per of designing norms, like in the industry, in the designing things, like while designing the websites, we should always use the same color of links, okay. So visited, it will be there. Now again we have anchor, then we have hover. So this hover means when we will hover our mouse, okay, hover our mouse over there on the links, then some CSS should apply. So during hovering, let me just write text dash decoration. Let me just decorate it with underline. So now when I just move my cursor over there, so it will underline. See, the underline is coming. When you just go here, underline is coming, here it is coming, here it is coming. So let's write some more color as well. So change the color to you can change the color to orange red. Let me just write like this, and little bit of font size, we can change that font size to 18 pixel, and let's save it. Let's try. See, oh, it's already I think on 18 pixels, so it's not changing. So let's make it to 20 pixel. Now see, little it's increasing as well, and orange red it's coming, Okay, so this is like hover. So anchor link, when you hover any anchor link, this will give you experience. So you can click there, and let me just font dash weight. I want to apply the bold property as well. See, font dash weight bold. Now it's looking quite good, so I will leave that. For good designing things, when you click here, this is the feature of the VS Code. When you just click here, okay, when you just move the cursor over there, so when you just move the mouse little, you can select the color directly from here. I just want this one. Okay, save it. Now when you see, a little dark green will be applied. Okay, as per this RGB formula, as per this RGB, I have already told you how to apply this RGB function, right, for colors. So hover. Now again, we have one more, that is hover we have. So we have again a like active. Okay, so it is the active. So active means when the link is active, simply we can apply some CSS property over there. So color should be, let me just try it as white. Okay, why white? I will show you. And let me just make the background color as red, simple red. Save it. Now just see, when I will click on this link, see, it means the link is active. So when you click and it is about to open, it will change that, it will apply that property. Okay, so it can be done with the help of link pseudo, like sorry, not link, it will be done with the help of this active pseudo class. Okay, so we can simply perform these activities with the help of these pseudo classes. Okay, so you can like give whatever value you want, whatever CSS property you want to apply. Okay, so you can easily style the links. Okay, but make sure that whenever you are applying the link, so whenever you are applying or whenever you are styling the links, please do in the same order. Same order means, first of all, write the properties for link, then visited, then hover, then active. It means you should always try to write or apply the property in LV. L means link, V means visited, H means hover, A means active. So in this order, LVHA order, always remember this LVHA order. Always try to mention on the pseudo classes like this. First of all, link, after link, visited, visited after hover, hover after active. Okay, so this LVHA order. Okay, so with so just try with your own laptop, with your own code, and create some amazing CSS. Okay, apply some amazing CSS properties over there and try to create some beautiful links. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care. That's it for this video.